Okay, guys, this is the third time I'm doing this. Again, I'm EP Techman. Welcome to EP Techman TV, not TV, live stream. This is how you to create your own TV station server from home. This is a cost-effective way to get like some kind of um, service into your house. Closed circuit TV system. You could do anything you want to, like play videos, make text, make it as pretty as you like. That's the whole purpose of this video, is how to make a live stream server that's cost effective and not expensive. So as you can see, I'm on my on my website, on a web page, and I'm getting this off of opensource.com. Um, just type in create your own video streaming server with Linux. So I did almost everything already. I installed VirtualBox. So now let's actually go and install this on VirtualBox. So we are gonna go to actually I need to install it first. We're gonna open up VirtualBox. It's gonna ask you for prompt to install. Make sure you say yes, and now that's installing the VirtualBox. Always trust and hit install. This will make your network drives available. Your network. Now you make your own VirtualBox. You installed VirtualBox. Now you need to create a virtual machine for your live stream server, so you could get the stuff out. So click on new. Make this make it live stream server or whatever you want. For this video, I'm gonna put live streaming server on here. This is gonna be Linux Ubuntu 64-bit. Leave the memory size as is. We're gonna create a new virtual hard disk, not the virtual box image. I suggest 40 gigabytes of storage. Okay, so we have a few. We have to edit this virtual machine so we could actually get it offline, like online, basically. So under network, under adapter 1, if you see this attached to NAT, we're gonna switch this to bridge adapter. And if you have like a desktop, it would say your Ethernet interface, or what internet interface. If it's a laptop, it's gonna say wireless, or if you have a network card with wireless, it's gonna say wireless. Make sure you hit bridge so you could basically get it off to your network. We're gonna go under storage. Get this. We're gonna go where it says empty on it with the disk on it. We're gonna go to where it says optical drive, IDE secondary master. With the disk, drop it down to choose a disk file. Now you have your virtual. You have your file explorer. If you have it download from your downloads folder, you could do that. If you have it downloaded to your network drive, which I have, go to your network drive that has it on, and go to Ubuntu Live Server. You could install it on desktop, but they recommend you installing it on Live Server. Hit OK. Hit start. This probably would take not a long time. Make sure you hit start. It depends on if your computer is very fast. Um, your processor is good. You have a lot of disk storage. You know. In my case, my laptop has a Core i7 with an SSD on it, so I'm fine. I'm fine with this. So now it is booting up. Soon. So what I was checking, I want to see if the stream is still on. I apologize for not having another monitor on me. I did this. I'm doing this last minute, so. So we need to install a few different items. We're gonna install SSH, which could allow us to connect to our live stream server from PuTTY. We need to update and upgrade the hardware on the operating system. Then we need to install the commands that is already on that website that I just showed you before this before we showed you this. So this is installing now. If you have a regular CD drive, you could basically use your regular CD drive to install Linux, but I don't have a CD drive on my laptop, so I have to use ISO images directly from the internet. Okay, now I'm recording, so I could basically upload this to YouTube. I know it's gonna upload, but I'm gonna probably edit this video. So yeah, we will come back until this is the recording, by the way. We're gonna come back until this is complete. Okay, so now this is basically doing the start job. So I'm now going to turn off just mute that down a little bit more so you can't not hear it as much. Yeah, that music is a surprise for later. So I'm now okay. So now now Ubuntu is now up into its welcome stage. So this is when we select our Ethernet and basically this is like the setup process. So this is your name. I'm gonna put EP Techman on here. Service name. EP Techman Live 1. I'm gonna put my first and last name, and please, and we're gonna choose a strong password for our network. For basically, we're gonna choose a strong password for our going into the network. Basically, this is when you could basically install SSH. We can hit yes and hit done. Now you could basically install snaps. So you could install that. We're not gonna install snaps, so basically we're gonna install the the operating system now. And here's this view logs, so you could see what's going on. So after this install is done, it's gonna ask for reboot. After that, we are gonna log in using that username and password that has been given out to us, but we're gonna use PuTTY instead of the actual live streaming server, VirtualBox. And by the way, I will be deleting VirtualBox and this live streaming server when I'm done with this video, because I don't want a lot of space taken away from my computer. So we're now waiting until this is done. After it reboots, we're gonna go switch to our web browser and basically go into our web server. Not web server, but you know. Just start your Due to technical difficulties, we are going to be resuming momentarily. At this time, we're going to take a little break. Um, we will be right back in just a few more minutes. Sorry about the big delay. Thank you. Okay, guys, so let's go back to the live stream. I'm super sorry about that. So sorry you have to hear um, my brother, unfortunately. But back to the live stream. Um, I am again. I'm so sorry, but let's let's go and see how my installation is doing. There's one more step. Basically, there's it's like almost complete. Okay, now it's complete. As you can see, it says installation complete. You probably can't see it, but it's on the orange border on top. So, so now, after this is rebooted, we're gonna go and add the commands um into this server. This allows us to um actually bring our live stream to life. And yes, dude. So I could do another OBS window, but it's gonna make everything look bad. So I am basically if I will put a video another live stream out just showing you showing the thing in action, the live streaming server in action, using resources at the end. Like I have to like basically we do we have to like I have to like stop the live stream from YouTube and use the and basically um and basically change it to whatever I want basically. So basically we are still not finished yet. We will be finished soon in like a minute or so. So so this is how it will work. You need to run nginx. Then you need to install the RTMP module that makes that work. Then basically let the sudo nano this command and just paste the this whole entire information into the nano. We're gonna save. Then basically we have to we set the web server at we start the web server. Then afterwards I will um I will show you after this is done how to actually do it. But after this whole entire thing is done, it's gonna reboot, and it's gonna we need to do one more thing inside this actual GUI before we're gonna put it onto the putty. We need to log into the GUI and get the IP address from for this Ubuntu server. It could be done by Advanced Network Scanner, but I will highly suggest just to ifconfig it. It's more easier than doing the um going into that because it's gonna be harder to find. There's like you have to find like um what um what name it was put on and what model number. It's like too much. So basically I'm gonna just do ifconfig and just paste that IP address into putty. Let me get putty up and running. I'm gonna type in putty, and we have that all up and ready for me to use. Um, this will probably be done in a jiffy, actually. Okay. Basically, I'm reading what the actual output for the installer says on this virtual machine and see if it's done. Come on, I want this to be done. I want this to be done. Okay, here we go. So now it's all done. Now it's rebooting. It's starting to reboot now, as you can see. Now it's doing the pre-booting of the Ubuntu. Okay, so now it's still starting up. Now our SSH is now on. We're gonna go and log in as the username and password that we set up. Um, we're gonna do sudo update, and we're gonna enter the password that we set it up. Actually, oh, I forgot one thing. Sudo apt update. got apt. Okay, and we're gonna do an upgrade. Sudo apt upgrade. This will install the latest information of the Ubuntu. Okay, it's almost done with the upgrade. And let's see. Okay, now it is installing a new version. It's gonna take a few seconds, probably 2 minutes at the least. Actually, I could test this out. I could do it on my iPad if I wanted to. Okay, it is done, basically. We got 199 right now. It would be 100 in one more second. Okay, now we did the upgrade. Now I'm gonna ifconfig and we got our SSH. So we're gonna go log out. We're gonna log out. Now everything will be on SSH now. Okay, so we're gonna enter in our username, the password that we created during setup. So first we're gonna install the web server. So it is sudo apt install nginx. You could copy it and paste it. I'm just gonna copy and paste it for this video because it is a lot of information. So now this is installing the web server. Okay, now the web server is installed. This is all separate. So we're gonna do the top. So we're doing the RTMP module. So that web server could handle your media stream. So we're gonna do sudo add dash apt dash repository space universe. So we're gonna so if you have this version of Ubuntu, you don't need universe installed. So you could do sudo apt install lib the lib nginx dash mod dash rtmp. So now we could do that, and now the RTMP is basically installed. We're gonna sudo nano space slash etc slash nginx slash nginx.config. So we're gonna scroll down to the bottom of the configuration file. We're gonna copy and paste it from this link, this file. And I just copy it and paste it 2 times. I think I did it 2 times. Yes, I did. So I'm gonna paste. Then everything is all good to go. Actually, I need to space this with the RTMP server, so it doesn't. Here we go. So we're gonna hit Control X and Y. Now we start our NGINX server. Now now everything's installed. It takes only 5 minutes to do the whole entire thing. Now we're gonna do is I need another computer because I can't do 2 streams at the same time. So to make it work, you need to have OBS or another streaming service on like XSplit or like live stream. If you have expensive stuff, that's fine. In this case, I'm using OBS. Basically, everything is installed as always. So, I'm actually gonna end this live stream, and I'm gonna upload a video of me testing these, or just getting a feel of how this is gonna work. I'm gonna use the same exact live stream method on OBS, but I'm gonna use record except for live the stream, so you could see how everything will work. So as of right now, thanks so much for listening and watching this live stream. Hopefully this live stream helped you a lot. I apologize again about the interruption that one time. I am so super sorry. It took like only 1 minute. But now everything is working fine. Everything is healthy as normal. How everything will work. Listening and just a reminder, make sure you have a good working processor. Make sure you have a good working computer to do a live stream. Like Pentium Core 2 Duo or like a Core i7 or Core i5 will work. If your computer has a Core i3 or Core i4, do not run this. It will not work properly, basically. I want to make these videos to give you information how to use a live streaming server and with your own network and everything like that. Like in my house, we have the same exact thing. It works perfectly, and I have no trouble with the live stream on VLC player. Oh yeah, if you want to stream them on stream the your live stream off of your TVs, you need to buy um like a Miracast. Um, you could do Miracast. You have to buy a Miracast. You could plug your computer into the HDMI port in your TV. You could use VGA and use your sound from the speaker to get the live stream. You could do Fire TV with VLC already installed. I have VLC already installed, so I don't need have a laptop on the whole entire time. I will recommend you get a Fire TV. It's a very good device, and you could use VLC, and you could basically run your TV station on your TVs. You can't use your own TV channel. You can't like broadcast your TV station off the air. It's illegal unless you have proper permissions by the government, U.S. government, or even your state's government. Just be mindful that it will the broadcasting over the air, Cablevision or Fios or Comcast, Xfinity, Altice, Spectrum, whatever you have. Please be mindful if you want to do that. Make sure you contact your TV company or cable company, or reach out to your state or government, or local government, or U.S. government, or your government that you have in your countries to basically get your TV on the air. But that will not work. I will recommend you getting VLC and just use your IP address as is. And of course, this is also a good time to say that I know I say I'm not gonna upload videos until the end of this pandemic. I know everyone's home right now and struggling through this tough time as the world um as this virus breaks out even more. Um, everyone at EB Techman and my family will say stay safe, stay healthy, stay well. Don't go outside. It's dangerous. Please don't go outside. It's basically your health and your safety. Don't go on the boardwalk if you live by the beach or ocean. Stay home so we could basically get back to normal. And we will get through this together. I know that. That's the only way I'm going to say this. We will get this and get through to this together, and together as my family, basically as you guys. So I hope this video makes it helpful for you guys. This video is it's my first live stream for a very long time, since like a few months, and I am super grateful of you guys supporting me and following me along. The subscribers came up a lot since a lot. I want more subscribers. I want to be up in the 100 subscriber range. And if you have friends at school or colleagues that want to know how to do this, if you have colleagues or some kind of friend from school to just see how to know how to do computers, please recommend it to me at my channel. I also do other stuff other than technology. I do daily. I'm stepping down daily vlogs recently, but soon I will be back. I didn't upload any daily vlogs, but soon I will be actually doing daily vlogs often. Um, yeah, I I know this time is difficult to do daily vlogs because of my lots of schoolwork to do, but this this is like actually very important. Um, every day is changing, and more cases of COVID-19 will develop. Again, we will get through this together, and sooner we stay inside, the sooner we'll be back to normal. Yeah, I know I'm gonna end this video, but please make sure to like the video, subscribe down below, turn on the bell icon next to the subscribe button, and comment down below. Um, what are you doing during this challenging times? And I will choose a few of you. Um, I will chat with you to ask all of your questions and needs. Um, I would basically be on the computer most of the time. So, hashtag um, computer EPTM is what I'm going to use. Um, tell me what video game you like. Tell me anything, and I will choose probably 4 to 10 people that did go and watch this video, and I will choose and basically talk to them like a few minutes. Anything else before I am done? Oh yeah. Soon I will actually upload videos. I still need to edit them. I need to still edit them. The reason why I didn't edit them yet is because I need the time to do them. I didn't have the time to do it yet. Um, you know, Six Flags since like Christmas break, we did a lot of stuff. I showed you Christmas lights. It's cool. I will please check my website or check my Instagram, which is eptechman9566. I will send you reminders saying how what time is this upload gonna be hitting live, and yeah. So basically, I'm I am free until this thing is over. So I'm actually gonna end this live stream right now. Again, please wait, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon on the side of subscribe, and just comment down below hashtag computer EP Techman, or yeah, EP Techman, and tell me like some kind of joke or something like that to cheer me up during this difficult time. I hope you enjoy this live stream and have a good day. Bye.